Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting my book report on one of the most famous love stories ever written, Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. This tragic play has touched hearts for centuries with its powerful themes of love, fate, and family conflict. In this report, I'll take you through the basic details of the book, a summary of the plot, my personal thoughts on the story, and a few memorable quotes. So let's get started. The timeless play was published in 1597 and has remained a classic in literature ever since. The author, William Shakespeare, is known as one of the greatest writers in the English language, and Romeo and Juliet is one of his most famous tragedies. The genre of the play is tragedy, but it's also considered fiction and drama. It was originally written to be performed on stage, which is why the dialogue and emotions are so vivid and powerful. The main focus of the play is the intense and doomed romance between two teenagers, Romeo Montague and Juliet Capulet. They fall in love despite the bitter hatred between their families. Shakespeare explores the big themes like love, fate, family conflict, youth, and how hatred can lead to destruction. To summarize the story, Romeo and Juliet met at a party and fall in love at first sight, but their families are enemies, so they have to keep their love a secret. They get married in secret, but tragedy strikes when Romeo kills Juliet's cousin, Tybalt, in a fight. He's banished from Verona as a result. Juliet then takes a potion to make her appear dead, hoping she can escape with Romeo. But Romeo doesn't know the plan. When he sees her lifeless body, he believes she's truly gone and takes his own life. When Juliet wakes up and sees Romeo dead, she does the same. In the end, their death brings peace between the two families, but a heartbreaking cost. For me, the play's strongest points are its deepest emotions and beautiful language. Shakespeare's writings captures the passion and pain of young love in a way that still feels relevant today. But I do think that timeline moves very fast, and the characters sometimes make impulsive choices that feel unrealistic, especially by today's standards. Still, the themes of love, fate, and family continue to connect with the readers across generations. Here are the few famous lines from the play that really stand out. First one is, "For never was a story of more woe than his of Juliet and her Romeo." The second one is, "O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?" And finally, "These violent delights have violent ends." Overall, Romeo and Juliet is a powerful and tragic story that shows how love can challenge even the deepest hate, and how misunderstanding can lead to devastating consequences. It's a must-read and must-watch, even centuries after it was written. Thank you for listening to my book report.